Let me introduce myself. My name is Sharifah Ai Naya. I will show you we'll make a tote bag. First of all, we make a pattern first. Measure all the patterns that will be used. After measuring the patterns, the next step is to cut the patterns and material that will be used to make the tote bag. After cutting the patterns and material, the next step is sewing all the materials and joining the fabrics used. In the sewing section, all the material assets must be neatly integrated, and nothing should not be sewn neatly. After the material has been sewn neatly and together, the next part is finishing. In this finishing, the remaining threads and parts that are not neat must all be neatly trimmed and must be cleaned from the threads left over when sewing. After installing the tote bag strap and finishing, the tote bag is finished and ready to use it.